Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Um, the file method actually does not allow you to delete files. You have to import a module called OS, operating system, and os.remove with the name or the path as the argument. Okay. Now this will permanently delete things. It won't just move them to the trash can. They're gone. You put a system file in here, it's gone. So be careful. And also, as Google says, don't be evil. Don't do terrible things with this wonderful power that you have. But I'm not even going to demonstrate that one because it's really actually quite simple. It's just os.remove, and my file, it won't ask for confirmation. It just disappears the file.